hello and welcome back. Banana flour. This is a superfood which controls diabetes and it's a wonder vegetable for women health. We will be preparing a vada using the leftover core of this banana flour. But before that, please hit the subscribe button for more videos. I've taken 100 grams of chickpeas and I have soaked it in water for 4 hours. Now we will ground these chickpeas into a coarse. Now chop this banana flour into small pieces and we will soak it in buttermilk. Add the chopped banana flours to the ground chickpeas. Add 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. A fistful of coriander leaves, finely chopped. 2 green chilies, chopped. 1 teaspoon of ginger, finely chopped. Cinnamon powder. Salt to taste. Now we will mix it well. We will preheat a small pan and add some oil to it. Once the oil is on, we will first wet our hands. Make a small ball. Place it on the other hand and press it. Now dip it into the oil. Once it is cooked on one side, we'll flip it to the other side so the other side gets cooked. Now both the sides of the vada are cooked, so we will remove it out of the oil. Your healthy valaipoo vada is ready. Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.